Hi, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? So today we will talk about the 2025 price target, my friend. What is the price in 2025, my friend? Absolutely of Shiba Inu token, my friend. This time we will completely discuss now. So kindly holder, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel, and after that press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, first of all I will talk about the Shiba Inu latest. This time you can see here the current pumps. Can this pump is permanently, or this is just in only temporary pumps? So first of all, that's clear, my friend. To this pump is temporary pumps. Absolutely, they were fails down again just in only after some days, but don't worry, my friend. Shiba Inu is comfortable coin, so this time absolutely they will make, my friend, one stage. So therefore, I hope, my friend. So if they were fails down, so they were not bad fails down like others coin, my friend. Especially when Kesho Inu were fails down, so the prices come down to zero. But sometimes Kesho Inu were completely on the trending and they will hit some very huge target, but they were again, my friend, when they were face down, so definitely the price will come to zero. So therefore Shiba Inu is not like Kesho Inu. If Shiba Inu is fails down, so don't worry, my friend, the price will not come to zero. Absolutely, they will make some state, they will make some point, so after that they never fails down. So Shiba Inu coin holder, in upcoming time in the price will increase or just in only for temporary. You could see here they were moving upward just in only for a few days. Their price will pumps up and after that they will face down. Yes, this is a very good question, my friend, of all holders, and I will answering you. But also, my friend, I will tell you to what is the technical analysis, what is the opinion, can we will need to hold, we will need to buy, or what we will need to do, my friends, to get a profit. So let's see, my friend. But please, one thing more, remember to this is not a financial video, I just advise you. So please do this what you found and research personally, please. Alright, so my brother, Shiba Inu price in 2025, absolutely expert says to upcoming time the price is increasing. So if they just in only, my friend, get now 30% profit, and last, my friend, tomorrow, my friends, they will hit now already, my friends, 50 to 70% profit. So definitely they will hit now 0.401325 USD dollar. But when they will hit, my friends, 50% profit every day, my friend, every month, so definitely they will easily hit now, my friend, 0.5 USD dollar. That's mean to half USD dollar in 2025, my friend. This is expert says in upcoming time. But it's possible if they will get now 50% profit, but if they will never get 50% profit, so this is impossible. So try to understand, holder, please be ready for a risk, but don't fail, my brother. Absolutely 50% profit is very hard now, and I think it's impossible to every day, every month, my friends, they will get now 50% profit. Because I just see, my friend, the Shiba Inu two huge pumps, and just in only one time, my friend, when they will pumps up, so 100 to 200 pumps they will take, my friend. But this time you could see they will already hit now in this pump, they will just only get now 70% profit. So therefore if they get, my friends, every day, every month, every week now, so as is possible, otherwise this is impossible. To in 2025 they will hit now, my friend, 0.1 USD dollar. That's mean to half USD dollar. So my brother, in 2022 this is possible to they will hit now 0.005 USD dollar. But, and my friend, it is also possible if they will get now 20 to 30% profit. So hope you understand, my friend. In 2025 our target is 0.5 USD dollar, half target. It's possible if they will get now 50% profit. So see you next time, Shiba Inu coin holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box.